Hey guys, I want to show you a few options to warm up your bathroom in the winter months. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here's a few key upgrades you can look at that might be something of interest to you. Of course, they're an upgrade, they'll cost more, but they're worth considering. So here we have a heated towel rack. So that's really nice to be able to get out of your shower or your tub and grab your towel, and it's nice and toasty like it just came out of the dryer. If you're living in northern Canada like I do, that's something you would appreciate. Another popular thing that we do is install heat traces under our floor tile. But one nice upgrade you can consider is running that heat trace into your shower floor. If you have a bench, add it onto the seat of the bench, and you can also run it up the back wall somewhat, so wherever you lean or touch tile is nice and toasty. That's a great feature. It's a lot of extra work, of course, but it's something that might be worth it for you. Lastly, speaking of warm butts, you can get a nice warm heated toilet seat, and you can run some warm water to your bidet. These are things that aren't for everybody, but if that floats your boat, it might work for you. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.